I have my design made. I have 1 hour to create a product. This is what gelato product I would be starting with. Hey there, Rebel. Today I'm going to show you which gelato products you can start with, depending on how much time you have, what niche you're in, and how big or small your budget is. So let's get started. And yes, we're using Gelato's new Create AI tools. I don't care what you say about AI. If you're not using AI tools to help you be more productive, you're going to get left behind and burnt out. Okay, let's say you have 1 hour to create your product. We're going to launch a product fast using Instant Collection with Gelato's new Create AI tool. Our product is going to be an 8x10 poster, which is only $5 to produce. We're going to use Canva and Instant Collection. First, I'm going to research on Pinterest and look on Instagram for some videos that I like that said something cool, or Pinterest quotes, something that is going to inspire me, create that motivational poster. I also want to kind of connect it to a niche. Lastly, you're going to add your design to your product and then use magic mockups to create your mockups for Etsy. You can upload to Etsy same day. That's it. An hour of your time and you've created a super cute motivational poster. Okay, well, let's say I'm in the wedding niche. We're going to make a card set. Yes, you can upsell, and yes, you can bundle your products. Again, head to Canva or your favorite design tool to create your designs. Welcome signs can be posters, they could be framed canvases, they could be hanging wall art. When it comes to wall art, Gelato has a variety of different tools and products for you to use. And the cards, they can be greeting cards that open up, or they could be front and back sided postcards. Again, they can come with an envelope or not. Next, you're going to use Personalization Studio to add text and image element places. These image and text places are going to allow your customers to customize the product themselves. So there's no manual customizing involved. Personalization Studio does all that manual customizing for you. You want to offer maybe this design in a few different themes, fonts, and color options, just so you can pertain to different design aesthetics within the wedding niche. You can even sub-niche further down and get specific to maybe design aesthetics that are trending for the different seasons. Or let's say you're on a $10 budget. It does cost money to run a print-on-demand shop. You have to pay for the products to be produced, and you have to pay for your shop to be up and running. So if anyone says print on demand is free, they're doing something wrong. My pick would be either a mug or some type of paper product. This is going to keep the cost down low, but you want to connect it to a specific niche. Think book-loving bride or plant-loving cat dad. Get super specific. The more specific, the more your ideal customer is going to find you. You can order sample for 50% off to take your own mock-up photos, and then you can use that sample to build a mini collection using Create AI's Instant Collection tool. And all of Gelato's new Create AI tools are completely free to use, and they save me a bunch of time. And lastly, what if you're just not a designer? Text-based products. Yes, simple text sells, and it sells really well for some products. Now, sometimes you have to play around. You have to be the first in the gate to maybe a hidden gem product in a maybe what might seem like an oversaturated niche. You do this for an evergreen niche, or you can do this for more of an obscure hobby or passion-related niche. It's all about research first. You can try Canva or Kittl or Creative Fabrica for fun fonts. Upload and apply your design to multiple products, again using Instant Collection, and then use Magic Mockups to really sell the look. Magic Mockups is a Create AI tool, but it helps you create realistic looking mockups without having a photo shoot in your house. Whatever niche or budget or time limit you're working with, there's a smart way to launch your first print-on-demand product. And Gelato's Create AI tool suite makes it incredibly doable, even for a beginner. You can try the tools free. I have them linked down below. But if you feel like you might need a little bit more help, or maybe a one-on-one style day-by-day plan to get you started, check out my POD launch blueprint below. I have it discounted for you when you use code 32, but hurry up because so many people have used it already and I only have so many spots left. Print on demand has been super lucrative for me. It's fun. I feel like I'm successful in it, but it's taken me time. It's taken me years to get to this point. It's not overnight success. It takes time and effort and the right tools and not giving up. If you're ready for that challenge, I invite you to start your print-on-demand shop and list something at least in the next week. I'll be checking up on you. I can't wait to see what you create, Rebel. See you later.